Okay, so finally we've broken through the $100,000 wall or ceiling that we had. So our equity is at $101,272. So we are up 10x from when we started this trading series. So if you're just joining in now, I've been uploading every single video as I have been trading in the last 158 days. And we started with $10,000. Now we're over $100,000. So we've over 10x our account. We currently have 46 positions open. Let's have a look at our P&L analysis, because I like to be super transparent and no one else in the industry that I know, whether they're on YouTube or Twitter, is sharing their P&L data like I am, this transparently. So you can see this is past 180 days. You can see our equity, recent 30-day P&L, 7-day P&L, daily P&L, and you can see we've had trades on every single day. And this is our cumulative P&L growth. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I have everything to export or share for those of you who need it. Everything is posted on my Twitter account. I have a live trading bot on my Telegram group that uploads every single position that I change or enter in real time. So you can see all of these positions get automatically sent to you guys for those of you who are in the group. And if you want information on that, everything is pinned below the video in the comment section by me. And all of our trades, you can see everything is super transparent. I show you the wins, the losses. I don't know anyone else doing this on YouTube. I am playing around with the thumbnails because the view count I'm not happy with. So I need to try and trick the YouTube algorithm with some sort of content. I don't fucking know, to be honest. But I'm going to be changing the way the videos, the thumbnails look and the titles. But all of my videos for the last 3 months have been the same trading challenge. It's exactly the same. So that's where we are at. Now, I'm going to try and take it easy somewhat, given we've reached our 100K initial goal. We're going to continue trading this, and we need another 10x to hit 1 million. Okay, so we've done 10x already from 10K to 100. Now we just need another 10x return to reach 1 million. Easier said than done, but yeah, for those of you who are skeptical, feel free to go on Twitter and you can see all of my analysis uploaded from the exchange. You can see all of the logs, all the trades, everything is publicly available. And as I said, I don't think I know anyone who does this. Right. In terms of our positions at the moment, so we are still in a hype long. We're up 1.6K. It's our biggest position by far. Nothing else really I've changed. The SOMI long from yesterday that I entered is in profit. We made good money on SOMI. You can see we entered around here and we sold for about 100x return, sorry, 100% return. I'm a bit hyped up today because we hit our target, so I'm pretty happy with that. So you can see I entered this right on stream. Those of you in the group would have had the notification that we entered the SOMI position. Actually, you can see that yesterday, entered a SOMI long, right? So everything is public, and you can see that we've decreased our position a couple hours ago by $1,000. So you can see we've taken profit on the SOMI position. So everything is super transparent. Nothing is fake. I know a lot of YouTubers are very dodgy, and I would, very normal behavior to suspect everyone's LARPing, but I try to be different, and hopefully you guys will notice that. And hopefully the YouTube algorithm will notice that with the way that my views are going, in which direction. It seems like YouTube doesn't want real content. They want people LARPing and posting Moonboy, Solana, XRP, and just fake screenshots. Anyway, so that's kind of where we're at. I don't think we are gonna do anything else on our account. If we look at the recent positions, I entered an NMR long yesterday. Otherwise, I've been taking profit on the M coin, MU, and on Dogecoin. I finally closed Dogecoin as well for profit. So that's kind of it. The market is very interesting. So we have a really nasty liquidation scam on MEXC. You You can see we just went 2x in a space of 20 hours. Absolutely insane, right? Absolutely crazy. So yeah, pretty insane shit. I don't really know. I wasn't trading this. I actually did see price around this point and I was tempted to long, and I saw prices here as well. I was tempted to long, but I've been pretty busy today and I don't really want to be babysitting my account. I want to actually let that account rest a little bit and mentally just relax for a day or two. I checked my exposures and we are slightly net long, only very slightly, probably about $10,000 net long. We are just about 1x leverage, so our risk has been reduced even more so. And we're just going to continue holding our positions as they are. I think PTB was the other trade I entered yesterday. Yeah, you can see I entered it yesterday as well. So I had some pretty good trades lately. Pretty good trades. That's why, let's see. Yeah, that's why in the last 7 days, we've only had winners. 30 days had a bit of a choppy week, but in the last 7 days, every single day has been a winner. So pretty happy with that. And let's have a look at BTC. Quick review before we finish our upload for the day. Okay, so Bitcoin still in a range, as we discussed, nothing to do. Looking decent, but again, if we just drop down to here, things will look shaky again. So nothing to action. Ethereum, I'm not loving it. We're still at this level. I did buy some ETH, then I sold some. I just don't like how we are consolidating for so long at this level. Kind of feels like it would be a good idea to run all of these stops and enter beneath this EMA. That's my gut feel. Something similar to this. That would make more sense to me if we got the same price action. And if prices do go down to here at this 3,800 level, I'm going to be bidding pretty hard. I think I'm going to be bidding pretty hard. Right, Solana. Solana is still strong, and this is actually a very nice entry. So still stronger than ETH. Hyperliquid strong. ENA is at resistance, but strong. And Dogecoin, I don't fucking know what Dogecoin does, right? No idea. We got WLFY pumping a bit. I don't know if this is something you short or if this is going to be a scam pump because we kind of took the liquidity out. I haven't checked this coin. But on the TradFi side, so Nvidia looking weak, which I do not like, given I bought more around this level. I'm holding RZLT still, so that's doing really well. SPX I bought on this dip, so I'm pretty happy with that. Right, so we're up over 1.5%. And then gold, I'm going to continue holding gold. I told you guys in my videos, if you have been watching all my trading series, I have been saying to buy gold at all of these dips along the way. And now you just hold and wait. That's all you do. You just hold and wait. So I think that's it. I'm going to upload the video now. I'm going to test around what thumbnails to use and titles. If any of you have any experience with YouTube SEO, that would be great because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just trying to get more views and content out there for others to see me. But I like this thumbnail, but I'm going to probably change it a little bit. So yeah, I heard YouTube likes sentences in the titles, like short titles. The titles and the thumbnails should be different, so you shouldn't repeat yourself. So it's pretty tough. Like I'm toying with the idea if I should write live trading on the thumbnail, given that I'm already writing it in the title itself. So pretty boring stuff. As always, those of you who want to enter my trading group, you can, right? The link will be below the video in the description section or the comment section pinned by me. So there is a trading group that I have. If you want to enter, you have to trade actively on one of the two exchanges, send me a message, and then you'll get access to the private group and the chat where you can see all of my positions in real time being entered. So my bot just automatically syncs to the API of the exchange, and it automatically just pings you guys whenever I increase, decrease, enter, or close one of my positions. And you can see my total equity exposure by typing the positions command in the chat as well. And on top of that, you get the indicators, which I'm not sure you guys want that much, but you get that as well, which helped me a lot in the macro analysis space, at least. Okay, cool. So I think that's it. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I hope we don't lose all of our money. Jokes. And I will see you in the next upload. Peace. Oh, and I'm also testing the microphone. So if it does sound better or worse, if anyone wants to comment or help, that would be fantastic. I don't really know what I'm doing, as you guys know, in terms of upload and thumbnails and editing, SEOs. So if anyone has any experience, has any tips, that would help a lot. Cool. Peace. I'll see you in the next upload.